what's up, guys? This is the tutorial of the $10 guaranteed video. Let's go. Okay, now, this does not matter if the deck is shuffled. You can have your spectator shuffle.
Hey guys.
I know we Jack, spectator, you know him. If you're an expert at magic tricks, you gotta check out his videos. He's got good tricks.
Not expert, but a little bit more heavy on the sleight of hand.
Alright. Most of the tricks have no sleight of hand. Okay.
There you go.
We promised you that we'll finish this video. Alright. So you can even shuffle one time. It doesn't matter.
I was going to Sam and I was like, Sam, I need a tutorial for this video. I was dying for one. And he said, I promise you.
I know it's been like months, but
yes.
We promise.
Sam hasn't given me the tutorial to this video in like 5 months, so
here we go.
Thank goodness he finally did.
So first,
I need to know.
you let them choose any card, okay?
Right,
so choose any card.
This card.
Okay, in this case, that card is 7 of spades, right?
7 of spades.
So, as they're looking at that card, you guys, you cut the deck in half. And what you do is you cut it in half, and you look at the top card. Let's pretend you look at the top card, and in this case, it's the 8 of hearts. So then you put it back, and while they're looking at your card, you do that, and it looks like nothing happened. So you go, please just place the card in the middle of the deck. So they place the card in the middle of the deck. Now you remember the 8 of hearts, correct?
Yeah.
Do not let them shuffle. If you shuffle, it ruins the trick. So you start flipping over cards, correct?
Yes.
You start flipping over cards. We did this in the earlier video, if you remember, Jack.
Yeah.
So what was your card again?
It was the 7 of spades.
Right. So you look for the 8 of hearts. Tell them, if you see your card, don't tell me it.
Okay, so this is our card.
So if you tell them while you're flipping through, if you see your card, don't tell me.
I just noticed.
Yeah.
The 7 of spades is right after the 8 of hearts.
That's how it works. Just
because you put the 8 of hearts on top.
Just let me get to the point. Okay. So you say while you're dealing through the cards, if you see your card, and I keep flipping, I messed up, don't say anything. Okay? So you say that on purpose because you're gonna pass the 8 of hearts on purpose. Deal like 5 more cards. And then you're going to say, I bet you the next card I flip over will be your card for $10. And they'll be like, yeah, definitely. Because they saw their card already. And they're like, he's going to get this wrong. So then they're like, deal. And you shake on it, right? Like, deal. Mm-hmm. You made the $10 bet.
Yeah.
And they're like, deal. Easy $10. And then you take their card and you flip it over. And how do you know that's their card? Because it's right next to the 8 of hearts. And you always take the 8 of hearts, the one on top, and because you put them right next to each other. That's how it was.
I get it. You looked at the 8 of hearts and you put it right next to my card, the 7 of spades, and so you know the card right after the 8 of hearts is my card.
Right.
And you passed it on purpose so that you say the next card I flip over is going to be your card, but it's not.
Guys,
so you just go back and do it.
Pretty easy trick. It's pretty easy.
That's actually so good. Okay. Thanks for teaching me, Sam. That's
the trick. Remember to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button for more magic. We're the Magic Trick Bros. See ya.